I'm doing a video about evil animals.
Yeah, guys.
Threw him out. We literally threw him out. And then the next day, which is today, a beautiful windy day. You see the car here. It's a beautiful day. And today, spring break is coming up, so I'm gonna be looking up to seeing more videos. And the first shout out go to the Ruka twins. They're so flexible. And Sophie Dawsey, I'm so in love with her. I can do most of the things that she's gonna be doing. So my brothers over there are, you can see, they're throwing stuff at the evil ammo. Don't know why, but yeah. And I'm literally outside with no shoes on. Because you guys, I don't know. And it's kind of still wet out here. Kind of a little bit of snow. But yeah. And yeah, my socks just got wet. These shoes. I have my shoes on my feet. My outside shoes. You can see they're super dirty. But yeah, and I just got from school also, you guys. So right now, evil animal's not gonna mess with us. So we're just gonna climb the tree that we're gonna be climbing. Is right there. So big. See the view. You could see the view. No, if you can, but it's so big. Just look at that. Just look at that big view. Then there's still a little ice. People is banging days today. I don't know what, and who, but they banging out these days. Cause they say I'm getting sick of too much snow. Now we're gonna have for spring to come. So spring coming. Remember, don't worry. Spring came.
Yep.
That's our spring break coming up next week, and I'm just about to get to climbing this tree.
And guys, only 5 more days until it's me and my twin birthday.
Yeah, their birthday party's coming up. It's gonna be here at my house, 915 26th Avenue North, Colfax. Sign right there. The Colfax. See the Colfax sign? 26 in Colfax. 26 in Colfax. You saw the Colfax sign? So I'm just gonna climb this tree, like talk to you guys about like my dream and stuff, how I've been feeling, and yeah. So let's get to it. Oh jeez, I don't know where to sit, you guys.
This is our pet.
So the man, hold this. My brother's gonna hold you guys. Hold it just like that. So I climb the tree.
Yeah, she climbing the tree. It's not me.
Give it to me, Tito.
Be careful with the phone. I have a bad feeling. Be careful with it.
So
Pause.
I'm literally up
Hey, Daddy,
the tree.
Can you like?
So I'm gonna climb even more
Can you
higher.
go after me?
I don't know how I'm gonna do this without dropping you guys. Like, yeah. And we did another evil ammo book, and it was like so creepy. I was like, cannot do this. I was not made for this. So yeah, go check that out. Link will be in the description. And yeah, let's get into this video.
Whatever you do.
Hi guys, I'm still in the tree.
No.
Can still see you.
No, come on. Daddy, can you get down? Right?
Yeah,
I mean, can
I'm
you
still
climb up?
in the
We would do this. Nah, give me my phone.
No, do YouTube on there.
So guys, we will see you next day.
No, to the man, don't press that.
But I just have a bad feeling about it.
I'm just about to get in.
Okay, here you go.
So yeah, as you can see, just walking, got down. Look at this big old truck. Like, so today I'm just gonna be like into the evil ammo, like pops up anywhere. I haven't seen them so far, but yeah, I did just see it. But now I'm just walking up all this snow. See, this snow haven't melted yet. Still more snow everywhere, like in my big old basketball court. You can see this is a church located, description, and yeah, and that's the back of my house. I got 4 garbage cans. Don't know why, because we be having a lot of trash. Like somehow, like every day, we like get like one of those big old cars right there. You see that yellow car through the gate? Right there? We get like one of those, but it will be different colors for other people because we have like birthdays every month. So that'd be super awesome. So I don't know if you can hear that, but I'm stepping through a lot of snow. Now I'm just gonna step through this puddle. Yeah, and these are leather shoes. See? And we're gonna explore this car right here. Don't know what car that is, but let's get into it. So, hi guys. This is the inside of the car. It's like broken glass on the seat. Someone broke that window. I'm just gonna run. Here's a basketball. And I'm gonna be showing you guys some really dun tricks. So let's like some aerials and stuff. I don't know how to do an aerial, but I can show you some tricks, like some gymnastic tricks, cartwheels, things back bend. Yeah. You need leather shoes like me. You need yellow leather. Okay, you got leather shoes.
But I just forgot how to climb up.
Hold the camera. No, hold it just like that.
Hi guys. Watch my sister come.
Up. Then keep going.
What? I didn't see you.
You go up and then you keep going. Okay? So first hygiene. Let's get into this video. Hi guys. I'm getting the camera set up. It's very simple.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna be kind of doing like move. So like move. I don't know how. So I'm gonna sit you down right there. Don't know if you can see me, but yeah. So first move, back in. Easy, simple. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys so you guys can see me. Oh yeah, I just got better.
Okay, we should take off
But I
our
don't know
shoes.
if you guys can see me. Oh yeah, you can see me. So back bend. Pick up. Some people do that, but or you can do that, just like that. But sometimes I fail too. No matter what you do, keep trying. Then a headstand, perfect headstand. I don't know how to do a headstand that long, so I'm just gonna try. That was about like 2 seconds.
Can you show me how
Don't know how to do that.
Ah!
But yeah.
I just have to do it.
So next one, gonna be showing you a cartwheel. So let me zoom out.
You can just stop.
Now I'm gonna
What?
show you guys cartwheel.
You can just stop.
March, get set, go. And that was an aerial. So I can't do aerials. Don't know why. Then this is.
Mama, can you like show me what I do now? What I do now, I'm
This is a
climbing.
leg hold. I don't know if you guys can do that, but just try. I'm gonna take off my shoes, slide them over there. No, need toes to do gymnastics. So
when I was
But
when I was
I used to
when I
do
was
it.
4,
I still do it like this.
When I was 4,
I don't have anything harder to. But then you can do that.
Yeah,
Then
I
next
know
I'm gonna
you
be
did
showing you a
it.
pretzel. So right now I'm just gonna be hitting my leg over my head and that. Peace out. So hi guys. Yeah. So here's a leg. You're gonna be lifting your leg up. Pinning your leg with your head. But I didn't do it. My leg was right there. But let's do it. Ready? Set, go.
Okay.
Yeah. Peace.